The gears and ball bearings came off from my Veggetti Power 4-to-1 electric vegetable spiralizer. Model number 17009.
What's the brand and model of your appliance? How old is it?
Veggetti Power model 17009, about a year ago.
How long has this been going on? What have you tried so far?
Just happened. Took motor cover off and saw the 2 white small gears and several small silver balls.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Please read carefully and reply. My name is I am the category moderator. I apologize for the wait. I wanted to reach out to see if you still need assistance with your question. Please use the reply box below to let me know if you'd like to continue or cancel. If you were attempting to reach a different company, please let me know that as well. Thank you. Natalia, moderator.
I cannot stand by the computer and wait for a reply, nor am I asking you to. Since I am not there, I will need your help with information, this for a more complete picture in trying to diagnose and resolve your issue. I've reviewed what you have given me so far. This is an initial assessment and we can start here. Of course you are going to need new gears and a new ball bearing. Veggetti is not going to furnish parts because they want to make the money on you buying a new one or servicing. Where I couldn't find a location for one. Ball bearings are expensive. One last option is their number for warranty, maybe one. If by some reason a resolution to the problem just isn't possible, I will do my best to supply you with any remaining options. From what other resources I can find, you might feel the need to choose a bad service rating. I ask that you stop and consider replying back to me with any of your concerns, more times than not. With email, things can be lost in translation. I want to be sure I answered your questions correctly. Please let me know on your next reply. Thanks, Eddie. Note, you may get a standard phone request. You can accept if it is more comfortable for you or ignore it. I have nothing to do with billing. Customer service would accommodate you on that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.